Great job, boys and girls. I saw lots of great answers. Just want to quickly show you a few of the answers. So, are we ready? So the farmer had 2 trees on his farm with a total of 7 apples. So I'm going to get 2 trees, right? And then there's 7 apples. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put these apples on this tree. So if I have 3 apples on this tree, well, there's 3 I can count on. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So our answer for this is that there are 3 plus 4, and that equals 7. Great. Okay, here's another option, another answer. On this tree, you could have 4 and 5 apples. So if I have 5 apples on this tree, 5, I can count on 6 and 7. How many are on the other tree? There are 2. You are correct. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So those are just 2 answers. There are several different answers for this problem. But great job, boys and girls.